Welcome to our channel, and if this is your first time visiting this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and then turn on your notifications so that you'll be notified anytime we post a new content. So let's get into it. So today we are going to look at how to design a slide deck or a presentation slide, right, with Google Sheet. So I have a topic that I will later actually like do another content on, but as a prep, I would want to design a slide deck for the content, right? So it's about top 10 social networks, top 10 social networks that you can use as a young professional, as somebody who would want to build connections and then all that. So first, I asked ChatGPT to generate a content for me. So it's like making content without you like writing it yourself. There are other AI tools that I can actually use to also, populate the slides, but this one I would want to do it manually. That is the main reason for this video. So I first asked ChatGPT to generate the content for me, and then I now told ChatGPT to convert it to slide decks, right? So it has actually like done it for me into different slides. So we have a total of about how many? I think 14 slides, right? So we are going to do all of that, and we are not going to use any other. We are doing everything online, so we are going to use Google Slides, right? So I just visit slides.google.com. Now if I want to just start a new slide or a blank slide altogether, I need not to go to googleslides.com. I need not to go to slides.google.com. I just have to type slides.new, and it will create a new blank slide presentation for me. However, if I want to choose from templates, that is where I will go to slides.google.com to actually look at the templates that they have there. So this is how a blank page looks like. So as I prepare my slides, I will also take you through certain things that you need to do when you are preparing your presentation slide. So the first thing is these text boxes, right? When you open a new slide document, I don't make use of these predefined text boxes. I don't also make use of any of the themes. I just choose a white page, just like that. Okay. So I think the internet is a little slow, but we will still manage. All right. So I have my blank page. I'll close these themes pane, and this is my blank page. Let me zoom to 100. Okay, I think we are good to go. All right. So this is my blank page, and then we'll start. So I'll basically do this with shapes and text. So the first slide is our title slide, and I'll just choose a background color, a solid color. I'll go for a darker blue. No, this is a dark purple. This is a dark what? Corn flower. I need a dark blue. Okay, so this is a dark blue. All right. So I'll go for a dark blue, and then now a text box. So I'll just draw my text box this way, and then I'll type top 10 social, well, top 10 social networks, like that. I'll select all the text, center alignment, and I'll increase the font size. I'll bolden it. So this is what I'm doing. I will still keep the black text. Okay. Then I'll just create a shape. Okay. So I'll create a shape. No, I just want something that will just kind of cover the text. So a little connectivity issues, but I think we'll be fine. So this way, let me see. Okay, so I'll change the border weight. Okay, so the border should be transparent, and I'll send it to the back. Okay, so border and then send backward. All right, and I'll change the font color here also towards dark blue. Let's go. So that's it. So top 10 social networks. My first slide is done. I'll just add another slide, a blank one for that matter. So let's see what we have for our, so yes, that is, so now we look at the introduction, right? So um as part of introduction, we are supposed to highlight the importance of social media in our lives, and we will also explore or state the purpose of, purpose of the presentation. So in this case, it says episode here, but we are going to look at the purpose of what's the presentation. So this is what we'll do. Right. So on our slide, sorry. So let me close this. I don't need this anymore. So on our slide, we are going to create two things. Okay. So first, let me have a shape. This one I would go for a rounded rectangle, something like this works for me. All right. Yes, and I'll fill it dark blue and transparent line, so no line. Okay, so the next thing is input purpose. No, so okay, so I'll input the importance here. Okay, so importance of social media. So I'll use SM for that. Okay, importance of social media, and I'll bolden the text. I'll give it a white. Let me underline. Right. No, I think SM doesn't sound right. So social media. Okay. All right. So I will create a bulleted list of about 4 to 5 importance of social media. Okay. So I'll just tell ChatGPT that state list let's say 4. Importance of social media in our lives. All right, list. So I just said list. So let's see what ChatGPT gives us. Okay. So it says what? Connectivity, information sharing, expression. So I will just copy this one, copy this as well, copy this as well, and copy this. Because because it's a presentation slide, we don't need to have all the explanations, right? We only need the bullet point, and then as part of the presentation we'll add it to the presenter notes so that the presenter is going to read it from there. So I'll create another text box this way. So first you let me paste what I copied. So yes, so I copied all to my clipboard. Okay, so this is all I have. So what I'm just going to do is that click on it as so connectivity. I'll change all the formatting, so that should be okay. And then it's connectivity, information sharing. So this is what happens when you copy something from chat GPT. So you have to change the formatting and then all that. um, Expression and creativity, and business and career opportunities. So this is what we have. So let's format it. So we are not highlighting anything. The font color is going to be white. We need to have some spacing, about some double spacing, and then let me see, 1.5. No, so the double spacing is okay. Great. And we are going to bullet it, make it a bulleted list this way. Okay, I'll stretch it a little. Now because we are not filling it, I can actually stretch it too. Great. So this is what we have. Let me open this in a little bit. Okay, no. Okay, I think this is okay. Okay, and what did we have again? So basically we are, so what about, I'm trying to think of something else. Okay, so I'll just have a copy of this, change the font color to a darker blue, and I'll say exploring, sorry, my font's exploring top 10 social networks. Okay, exploring top 10 social networks. Open it this way, open it this way, remove the underline, increase the font size, Let me see if I can get another font. Let me see this. Yes, this looks great. Yeah, top 10. So exploring top 10 now. So let me send this. Yeah, this is okay. This is okay. Right. Let me bring it to the side level. All right. So what will happen is that I will have to also, let me change the curves a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, something like this looks great. So since, let me try increasing the, so add space after, and I'll add space before. Or probably I should add more. No, no, they are too separated. Okay, so this one works. Great. So I am just going to build on, I'm just going to build on this slide because all slides should actually look the same. Okay, so I'm going to build on this slide and work my way up to the last slide. So this time around, what I'm going to do is what? Just duplicate this slide. And what do we have next? Is the, so this slide 3. So Facebook. Okay. So this is what I'm going to do. This time around, I'll delete this. Okay. Delete this as well. Have this here, change the font color to dark blue. And since we're kind of creating a visually like a nice presentation. So I'll take the box out. Okay. I am going to replace this rectangle with the Facebook logo. I think, I feel like that looks nice for me. Okay. I think that looks nice for me. So instead of just the box and then writing Facebook, I am rather going to put the Facebook icon here. So I'll let go of this. Okay. And I'll just replace it with a sphere or a circle. I think it's a circle. Or let me just insert the icon straight forward. I, from the icons menu, I should be able to search from the web, right? Okay, there's nothing like icon, but I think I can just use search the web to have. No, these are, no, it will search for Google images. So what I'm going to do is that I'll just have the circle. Okay. Oh, yeah. Shapes and then circle. All right. So if I want to draw a perfect circle, I'll press and hold shift, right? That will help me draw a perfect circle this way. Nice. Color. I just put any color there. Oh, damn. I I don't need an outline. I only need a fill color. That is dark blue. So this will be our Facebook logo. Okay, the Facebook logo is going to be here. And what's the information there? So founded in 2014 by Mark Zuckerberg, and then is the largest social networks, over 2 billion monthly active users. And it also features, like the features are the news feed, photo or video sharing, and then has privacy, like privacy. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so first let me copy this. Okay. And paste it in this. All right. Now I wouldn't want it to be this way. Okay. So 2014. So I'll create another text here. All right. Founded in 2014. So 2014. Okay. And right, have founded. Sorry. So founded in 2014. Okay. I wanted to do something, but I have another idea. So, all right. So I'll increase the font size. So font size 31. Let me look at 35. Okay. So I want it this way. Okay. And what's the next information? Largest social network. So okay, so 2.8 billion. Okay, so I can have a copy. I'll make a copy of this one and just write 2.8 billion. Now I'll have to reduce the font size of this one to something around 18. No, let's see, 24. All right. So 2.8 billion. So with over 2.8 billion. No, so that's total user counts. I just want something. So user count over, right, 2.8 billion. And what other information? Okay, so features. So okay, I can leave the features in there. I will do something else with it. And I'll, okay, so the features comes below, and Yeah, founder, what, Mark Zuckerberg. I hope I got the spelling of the name right. Mark Zuckerberg, right? Oh, so it was 2004. Sorry. Great. So all I gotta do is to arrange this very well. Yes, I want this one to be in the middle. Now I have another idea. This so active users. No, 24. So I'm changing the font sizes to say, okay, this okay. Oh, this was even 14. So let me just change it to 16. 16 should be okay. This one should be in the center. Same with this. I feel like I should change the billion to be in small letters. And it was a short form of billion. What's the abbreviation for billion? Let me just do a quick search. All right, so abbreviation of anyway, I'm checking on my mobile phone. So yeah, so it's either B, it's B for Northern America, and then BN for United Kingdom. So I think I'll go with this. Let me see how the B looks like. Spacing. No, I think it looks great with the BN. Okay, so our founder is Mark Zuckerberg. I'll also center align this text. Okay, and I'll bolding this. Uh, this one. So I would want to for the features. Let me see. I'll just choose privacy. So for the features, how about how about putting the features here? So this way, photo or video sharing and privacy. Okay. Select all and center. Bold. All comes here. Font color to white. And the other front. Nice. detail. Great. I feel this way is better. Okay. So now let me try increasing the font size of this so that, because I would want that one to be very prominent, right? This one goes this way, this way, this one goes this way. Okay, so still increase the size. Same with this. Increase the size. Increase, 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 increase. All right, and then now I'll decrease this one. 2 billion active users and 25. Great. So let's do some coloring. This one goes red. And this one, let me see. I need orange. Yes. 58. Okay, so let me change this to 58. Great. Okay. I need to do something about this one. Increase the size. Okay. Change this one to dark blue. Select. Try and position it in the middle. Is that it? This one goes to the top a little. Select all again. It is the middle. Okay, so if that is the case, then this one also has to come to the bottom a little. Okay, perfecto. All right, so we are done with Facebook. The next thing is Instagram. So it's also be the same thing. So I'll duplicate this and now just change the positions. Okay, so I wouldn't want all to follow the same order. It has to. Right, so this one goes, let me bring it a little bit down, and all these comes here. And they come to the top now. So I'm just doing some positioning here and there. Okay, so what's the information? So Instagram was acquired by Facebook, right, 2012. So I mean, it's basically, so current owner. So Zuckerberg was not the owner, but the founder, but the current owner is Mark Zuckerberg, Facebook, owner of Facebook. Okay, so we changed the date to 2012, and it was what acquired. So acquired, and I think it has what? How many? 1 billion. So this is just one bill, 1 bill active users. Okay, so duplicate this one, comes to the bottom rather. Okay, this will be for Twitter, and now the owner for Twitter now is Elon Musk. So sorry, owner Elon Musk. Okay. And 330 million monthly active users. So 330 M. So this one doesn't have. So yes, we don't have information on. We are not adding any new thing. So we just maintain this one. Monthly active users. Owner is Elon Musk. What are the features? Oh, so yeah, sorry. For Instagram, we have feed, stories, IGTV, and then influencer culture. So let's go. Feeds and what? Feed, stories, IGTV. So feed, stories, IGTV, and influencer culture. All right, nicely done. So three, and this one is retweets, hashtags, and shaping public discourse. Right. So change it, some few things, hashtags, and shaping public. So I'll just we'll do away with the shaping, and we just have public discourse. Okay. So what this was real time conversations and breaking news. I need to put this somewhere. Okay, so let me just duplicate this one. Okay, and put it here. I'll just put real time conversations. Great. So that is it for Twitter. duplicate the button. All right. So what's next? LinkedIn. So LinkedIn, 740 million users and profiles connections. So let me copy this. I will copy this one. So paste. Undo, sorry. Let me reduce the size of the font. So there is, I mean, every social network has a profile. So we can do away with the profiles. So we have connections, um, job listings, all right? And so those are the key perks in using using LinkedIn. Okay, and the users are how many? 714. 740. 740 million. This one also goes off. Do we have information on the owner? No. So we'll just put this one here. Excuse me, let me take some water. So we'll just bring this information here. So largest professional networking sites, like that. Okay. Reduce the size. And I think will make the awesome bold. And font color, dark blue. No, where's the font? Yeah, font color, dark blue. All right, our slides is it's taking shape. All right. So TikTok. So TikTok is, the theme is what, black and white. So we'll use black and white for TikTok. Okay, so TikTok has what? 2 billion downloads, short form videos and viral content, personalized feeds. Okay. So TikTok, 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 TikTok. So this one we'll do for TikTok. Excuse me. So TikTok, this shape now becomes black. That's nice. And have this information here. Sorry, I'll have to copy the text again. Okay. So copied, paste, short form. Yes, basically the with TikTok. So font size 20. It's okay. And how many downloads? So because TikTok is an app anyway. So 2 billion downloads, right? So 2 billion downloads. All right. So anyway, I would also want to add that if this was a kind of a a presentation, definitely I will need some more information to add. But I'm just trying to we are just trying to go through the steps as to how to create, I mean, a simple slide deck without using, complicated backgrounds. There are slide decks that you see like they are very hard to read. I'm kind of creating a very simple and easy to read slide deck, right? That if you are in the audience or you are an audience to this presentation, you wouldn't have to struggle to read content on it. So that is the goal that I'm trying to achieve here. Okay, so that is just about it. Okay, so let's move on. We have personalized feeds and then challenges, and so these are the features: personalized feeds and challenges. That's basically what TikTok does. So probably I will just add suitable for creators. So challenges. Or let me just add rise of creators. Uh, I'll make do with just this. Okay. So also have in mind that the circles that you see there will have the logos of the various social networks. So yes, bear in mind. When we are done, I'll do that. I'll go for them. Okay, let's move on. So the next ones I'm going to use this template. So let me duplicate this for us to be a little quick. Okay, so the next one we have is Snapchat. So Snapchat kind of have that yellow kind of nature. So but anyway, I'm just going to build on what we have. So copy Snapchat. Is this nice? Do we have a user account? No. So okay, so we'll have bullet point of these two. Okay, so we have disappearing content platform. So bullet point this and influence on younger. Okay. Wait. So this can go. Right. And finish. I'll duplicate again. Pinterest. So Pinterest has visual discovery. It's a visual discovery and an idea sharing platform. So visual discovery and idea sharing platform. What's there again? Boards. So I'll use boards, DIYs. All right. Okay. So something just came up in mind. Let me see if it works. Pinterest, 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 Pinterest. So what about I create something like this? Okay, paste it in here. Bold and create another shape like this. Change the color to Pinterest. No, sorry. So Pinterest is basically red, and I'll change the order to send backward. And now change this font color to white. I'll remove the line color. Let me see if I can use a more darker red. Okay. Excuse me. I'll delete this. Okay, so instead of the usual, I'm just trying to put the whole thing in shape. Probably you can have something like this. Nice. And you can also have this one in the middle. Is it looking good? Well, I think this is okay. So the next one is Reddit. So we have Reddit, YouTube, and WhatsApp. All right. So the next one, Reddit. Duplicate this. This one goes off. Sorry. So for LinkedIn, I can take off this one as well. Then wait, did I delete any information? No. So we are good. Okay, so this is for Reddit, right? And let's go Reddit. So diverse communities and discussions. This one becomes a bullet point. And the next one, influence on internet culture and knowledge sharing. This right alignment, stretch to the end, reduce font size to 14. No, 18. Okay, spacing double. No, just this one. Spacing double. Great. Should be here. And what next? So subreddit are voting or down voting. So copy. I'll just put it here. Yes, so subreddit. We'll have this. And anyway, I don't know what the AMAs are. Okay. So I also don't know. Okay, so let me reduce the font size to 10. I don't know. I don't know. I'm just putting together what it is there. YouTube, largest video sharing platform. So content categories, channels, and monetization. Yes, that's for YouTube. So for YouTube, I will duplicate this the last one that I just did. All right, and copy here. Nice and clear. Features, content categories, monetization. Oh, sorry, copy. Oh, I opened my console. All right, okay. Content categories. So to the top, good. And the last one, WhatsApp. So WhatsApp also has 2 billion users, messaging, video, voice calls, and then business account. Okay, so impact on communication and connecting people. Um, so what do we do next for WhatsApp? Okay, this is what will happen with WhatsApp. So WhatsApp also has 2 billion users. So I will just duplicate TikTok, right? And copy the features. So messaging. So instead of voice calls and video calls, I will just do it calls. You know. So let me just undo. Do I just leave the business accounts? Anyway, let me just leave it at the bottom. Right. Mm, so WhatsApp is also done. So yes, now we are done with all our 10 social networks. So what's the next thing to do? Conclusion, the conclusion slide. So this is what I'll do with the conclusion slide. I'll go back to copy. So let me just duplicate it. Okay, and I'll send it to the bottom. Okay, and change this to conclusion. But I'll add another text box and just write some pointers. So recap, importance, and appreciation. Okay, text center, bold, font color white. Great. I think that's what. Yes, recap, importance, and thanks. So this call to I'm not going to add a call to action, but that is basically how our slide will look like. So I'll just give it a name: top 10 social networks. Let me go to the first slide here, the second slide rather. So let me delete this and I'll just make it importance. Okay, so we have our slides in place. Beautiful as that. Let's look at a slideshow to see how it looks like when you are presenting. So importance and exploring 10 social networks. So basically for this Facebook, this for Instagram, this for Twitter, this for LinkedIn, this for TikTok, WhatsApp, right? This for Reddit, this for YouTube, and this for Pinterest. The Pinterest slide looks different anyway. And Snapchats, and then the conclusion page. So if I would want to bring in the icons, so for example, for Facebook, I will have to use another platform called Flat Icon. So I will just do one example and then we'll leave. So Flat Icon, and I'll visit this link. So I had already searched for Facebook icon before, so my web history brought that one up first. So these are all Facebook icons. So if I want a colored icon, I can go ahead and download a colored icon and use it, or I'll just go for the black icon. Okay, so which one do we go for? Yes, I could probably go for the colored one and, you know, bring it back and put it here. But it means that I'll have to do other tweaks, okay, to what I have here, because this has the features. But if I bring the icon, definitely there might not be enough space on it to put these ones there. So I might probably put it at the bottom. It has to go with a new formatting, the aesthetics, and then the layout, and then all that, to make sure that everything is in order. But basically, the purpose of this video was to take you through how you can design these slide decks simple, without having any complicated images and all. Yes, you have to include images, but I mean, this is a simple, easy to read slide deck. In subsequent videos, we might probably consider using images at some point, okay, screenshots and then all that at some point. But this is just a simple way of doing a slide deck for a presentation. I mean, a simple, easy to read. So you realize that you have to change how the numbers are. Instead of just writing them, you make the numbers visible, and this places some kind of relevance on the information that you want to show on the slide deck. Okay, so all the talk, you do all the talking, and then you reduce the text on the slide deck. So that's basically about it. I will definitely see you in another video. But till we meet, I mean, keep sharing this content, and also don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. See you another time.